Hey guys, you know the way that you look after you just washed a bunch of makeup off your face? Yep. Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl, Grace Tori. First off, I want to say please do not judge me based on my appearance right now. I just put all of these looks on and I couldn't put my skin through another makeup look. So I have moisturizer on and I'm taking care of her, so that is why I am not dressed up and I am just looking like I'm going to bed because I am. Okay. So for this video, I'm super excited. I know in my last instant influence video, oh, my collar's popped. I mentioned that I wanted to try the first impression looks, and so I did. I'm just gonna tell you now, please don't judge my talent based off of these looks. I wanted to have fun with them more than like be super stressed and trying to get them right. So some of them did not turn out that well, but please, if this is like your first time watching any of my videos, don't watch this one first because my talent is really not there. I promise you I am not this bad. Some of them came out looking like a clown, but I tried, okay? Okay? Yeah. Another thing is, a lot of these looks, pretty much all of them had white eyeliner in it, and I don't have white eyeliner. I don't have white face paint. I'm out of those things. I thought I had them, but I didn't, and with quarantine, I wasn't able to really get some that easily, so my looks look a little bit messier because I could not be as exact with eyeshadow, and that is why they came out the way they did. But yeah, with that being said, let's go ahead and jump on into these looks. The first look I did was Ashley's, and it was the abstract one. I don't really have much to say about that one. It was fun to do, but it was kind of frustrating because I wanted it to be exactly like hers, and it did not come out that way. Turns out her face is bigger than mine, so I was like doing the wrong proportions. I don't know. I feel like it didn't come out that great, but you know, we're off to a strong start, you feel me? So yeah, that was the first look. The second was Kailin's. Kailin, I love her, okay? And she was probably one of my favorite looks to do because it was so much fun. Since it was just like paint, I could really just have fun with it and I didn't have to be as stressed about it coming out exact. Hers didn't really have white eyeliner, so that was easier to be closer. It was easier to have a closer version of it. However, I didn't have gold foil and she used a lot of gold foil, so I used bronze lipstick. And it just did not show up as well, but her look was really fun to do. I didn't realize how much detail went into it until I actually tried to do it, and I appreciated it a lot more. With all of them, I do appreciate their looks a lot more. Next, I did Brittany's. Brittany's was fun. You need white eyeliner for hers, so it did not come out as clean as I wanted it to. I loved the eyes. I wanted to keep the eyes on forever. They were just so pretty. And I don't know, I thought that look was really cute. I just wanted to keep it on because I felt cute. Next, I did Benny's. I liked Benny's. I had so much fun doing the sunset on the forehead. I know that's like kind of dumb, but like I liked doing the sunset on the forehead. That was like calming, doing like the ombre. But I did not have white eyeliner, so I could not be very precise when it came to the flowers or the stars on his chin or the mountains or even the clouds. So it came out really messy. I liked the birds that I did, but yeah, this was one of those that I really liked it, but I just could not get as precise as I wanted to, and it really bothered me. But it was a fun look to recreate. It was the first time I'd ever done like a painting vibe, so that was cool. The next look I did was Gabriel's, and Gabriel's was fun. Again, this would have looked so much better with eyeliner, white eyeliner. I did not do the wings on the side of the face because those were props, so I did not have those. And for anyone that used colored contacts, I did not use colored contacts either because I don't have them. So this was a fun look. It was a little bit frustrating to get all of the details, and as you can see, mine were not near as precise as his, just because it was so time consuming, and this was my 5th look. And let's be real, like, who is trying their hardest on their 5th super intense look of the day? Note to self, don't do that many looks in one day because you're just going to get burnt out and it's not going to be as fun as you want. But I actually this was one of my favorites with how it turned out. I don't know why I like it so much, because it's definitely not as good as Gabriel's, but I don't know, I really liked this one. Last but not least is Indigo's. Indigo's was really fun to recreate, and I think I did pretty good, like, recreating it and getting pretty similar. However, it looked so much better on him than it did on me. Something went wrong. I don't really know what. If you guys can point out what I did, like, super wrong, let me know so I can... Sorry if you hear that, my mom's playing music. Yeah, if you can figure out, like, what exactly I got super wrong that made mine just look so different than his. I know that he used something a little bit more permanent, or for the white he used something more solid, and I used eyeshadow because I didn't have anything else, so that was more transparent, so that might have been part of it. But yeah, basically that's it. I had a lot of fun doing this. Let me know if you want me to do this with their looks more often. I'm definitely not going to get it done as quick, because doing 6 looks in a day it was hard, and my face hurts from wearing that much makeup, and I just did not try my best. So lesson learned, but overall I had so much fun doing it. And yeah, let me know. I will have my instant influencer review up on Friday as usual, and I'm planning to get a video up Thursday, possibly, if I can. It's dead week, so we'll see how that goes. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified when all my videos pop up. Don't forget to leave a comment that says whatever you want. Which look was your favorite? Which one I sucked at? Have you seen as an influencer? Anything. It would really help out my channel, as well as a like. That would be super dope. So yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.
Tastes like strawberries on a summer evening, and it sounds just like a song.